All right, YouTube, so what we're going to put together right now is we have a coffee table from Amazon. And it says 30-inch metal wrap round coffee table. The first thing I like to do is grab the parts, unwrap the parts, lay them out, get all my hardware out, take a look at everything, and see what I've got to work with. Looks like we've got a bit of hardware here. I really am trying to limit how much of this stuff is going everywhere, but I think regardless of what I do, it's just going to be a mess. Looks like that's pretty much it. We've got the legs, we've got the top, and we've got a hardware package here. Let's see what we've got as far as hardware goes. Looks like this package has one screw, which is kind of weird. We've got one with 2 screws and one with a handful of screws. So I will refer to the instructions at this point, because why there would be ever one screw for anything is kind of odd to me. So it looks like the 2 screws are going to hold the pieces together here. So if you look, you'll lay one on top of the other like this. 2 screws will go in there to hold this together. So we've got our 2 screws here. Let's cut this package open to get those 2 out. Gonna need the Allen wrench that comes with it. Let's go ahead and bolt those 2 parts together. Actually, I don't know if I want to tighten those all the way down yet, because we may need to shimmy this around a bit, because we're going to have 8 screws that are going to hold this down, 2 for each leg of the legs there. So let's get those screws out. Again, this is the Allen wrench. We're going to thread those right in there. It looks like I'm going to have to start them by hand, unfortunately. Allen wrench does not fit in there very nicely. See how that's lifted in the back side there? Quite interesting. That's why I didn't want to completely tighten down those bolts yet. Alright, I am just going to work my way around the table. So, according to the instructions, that is all of the parts. I'm not sure why there was the one bolt singled out by itself over there, or the one screw rather. But apparently it was not needed. Maybe it was an extra. But we've got this thing fully assembled now. It is all put together. It was not missing hardware. And you've got yourself a coffee table. All you got to do now is get all the shipping material off of it, and they're good to go. So I thank you very much for watching, YouTube. I hope this video helped to assemble your table. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this, and I thank you very much for watching. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching, YouTube.